Yeah, it feels like a moth.
Are you expecting one underneath?
Yes, because they put a screw all the way up from the heel. Yep.
So I know to be slightly.
So it should be one there, one in and at the end.
Just lift your leg up. Can you manage to lift your leg up for a minute?
Oh. Yeah, there's one in the heel exactly. I can see it from here.
Fabulous.
Ooh.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Hold on a minute and lift your leg up. 5.
5.
Yeah.
He told me 3. Oh, little liar, little liar. He told me 3 only. He got 5. I think he's playing crosswords with my foot.
I think so.